Four. Yeah, it was overall. I think fair play to the Waratahs. They've had a fair bit going on their plate. They've taken the cat off. Obviously, Joseph out early doors. They didn't bring international nine. They probably brought a pretty young team. I don't know whether our boys thought that that team wasn't good enough. I don't know, but yeah, first 20 minutes is not what we trained. Play from around the back of the line out that we'd practiced all week to defend. Didn't do it, and lacked energy. So yeah, I'll take it on my shoulders. Obviously, around 8 weeks, I've talked about the bye. They needed a rest. Boys need a rest, but just found out a rest isn't ideal for us. Have to re-look at what we're doing.
Conceding 50 points raises the serious question about Drua's defensive structure. What do you think went wrong?
Last week you were saying it was good, so it has been good. It's down to myself as a head coach to make sure the boys are ready for the game, and they weren't ready for the game today. So take it on my shoulders. So yeah, look at players all we want, but I'll take the blame on preparation and what we've done. How did we get to Suva? International call last night with the national team. Plenty of things that you got to prepare as a head coach that I wasn't over, and yeah, like I said, I'll take the responsibility. We've got good young players, and 4 hours ago we're saying we've had a good year. Today we weren't.
You know, what was the change early on with the tries?
Yeah, we're just trying to calm everyone down, you know. As we all know, when we fall into those kind of like pressure moments, you know, there's certain players that they tend to go drift away, so we're trying to stay connected, stay tight. But, you know, like heads up to Waratahs, they did to us what we want to do to them, and they did it really well.
The Waratahs exposed the Drua outlook.
Yeah.
And what do you think was the issue?
I think our work rate wasn't good enough, to be honest. Most areas in that first half we were just walking around the park. You know, coach can take as much as he can on his shoulders, but at the end of the day, we're playing outside there. We know what the pressure is like, you know, and I thought we were just not good enough in the first half.
Good. Yeah, well, there is no one else to look at. I said I'll take the responsibility of it where it is. It wasn't about the people leaving the club or whatever like this, but unfortunately, you know, we've come to Suva again and let the public down. And, you know, we know what happens in Fiji. It's responsibility the players don't need on their shoulders. I'll take it on my shoulders, as I said a few times. So certainly, Waratahs were good, referee was good. We didn't perform.
It's just an update on any other thing.
I haven't got any update. Sorry. I thought it was cramped, but it might be something more, I'm not sure.
Next 2 games, what are you looking to improve on the next 2 games?
Well, where we were, yeah, what we had done really well was our work rate. Defending around the corner, getting over the advantage line, looking after the ball on the ground. It's you can't go from what we've done in the last sort of 4 or 5 weeks where we've been doing the really good stuff. Again, like the Waratahs, their season was on the line too, so it was us or them, you know, and they've won it away from home with a horrendous travel schedule. So yeah, it's disappointing for the fans, and like I said, I'll apologise to them as much as I can. It's under my helm, and they will move on till next season. So yeah, like I said, apologies for the performance today.
What's the message to the fans out there?
Just did it.
Still something to play for. You think you're going to have to medically, obviously you don't know what's going to happen. Perth, level 1 there, Brisbane against the Royals, level 1 there, so there's something to it.
Massive things to play for, Clarky. You're right. Yeah, like I said, to hear there's a phone call around the Flying Fijians. There's 50 guys been named in the Flying Fijians. So I've always said it, if the blue jersey is going well, the white jersey should go well, and there's guys that need to put their hand up. Preparation, getting ready to perform at the highest level is meaning we've got to go to Perth and the Reds, and selection's going to be a little tougher than we're hoping. We've stuck with the team that we've done really well with the last sort of 5 weeks, and unfortunately, guys just didn't quite put their hand up. Now, like I said, I'll take it with the responsibility of how we prepare, but I think we also have to look at it, how individuals prepare coming away from our home base. So coming to Suva is, as I said to the public last week, we needed a good performance for the people that spend big money and turn up here, and we haven't got it right for 2 seasons.
Being on the road now for 2 weeks, is that a little bit easier for you? Build for next year for whoever takes over, away from, I guess, the possibility?
No. It would be sad missing the fans. I'll tell you that, Clarky. We love playing in front of our fans. We love performing well in front of our fans. So that's the disappointing thing. Going away on the road, these boys better pull in tight now. It's they need to take some responsibility on this brand and make sure that we perform on the road.
Firstly, we'd like to apologise for the performance that we put out. Wasn't good enough. We talked about it as people who paid big money to come and watch the club perform, and we weren't good enough today. We as players are disappointed. Firstly, because we have people in the club that has played a massive role, such as Jacko, Elia, and then move on to greener pastures. We want to do it for them. Unfortunately, we couldn't. But the thing is, we have these 2 games in front of us to try to pull in Tarik create history. We've already done it against Brumbies. We've told the nation, we've basically showed the nation and showed it within ourselves that it is possible. So if the fans can back the boys up, we're all hurting together as a team, as a nation. But told the boys, come on Monday, we're ready to roll again and attack the 2 mountains that's in front of us.